So here's a motor that I've been working on. Started out around 800 pounds. And I cut this side off, kind of in hopes that I'd be able to pound it through. However, haven't had a lot of luck there, using a air hammer and a hammer, large crowbars, sledgehammer, so forth. So I think, and I try to take it off layer by layer without buying larger tools. That would take forever. I think I'm going to pull this side off and then either strand by strand, which would take forever, or I'll work on it from there. Show you the rest of the motor. So there's a stator of it. Still spins freely. For this, there were 4 bolts. Came out relatively easy. Flip that over so it doesn't collect whatever. This was a little bit tricky to get out. It was inch by inch, just forcing it. How I got that out of the housing, that is a good question. So I have a blade on a 4.5 inch grinder. I'll show you later. I cut a single path through the housing, and then I stuck a wedge in there, opened it up, bigger wedge to the point where it was a log splitting wedge that I had in there. Open it up enough where I was able to slide that out. There's the electrical covers that were mounted right there. So the whole thing weighed in just shy of 800 pounds. Yeah, I don't think this is worth messing around with. I'll drop that off as is. Drop that off as is. And see what I get out of the copper. This is the blade I used. It's actually a 4-inch blade. Should be 4.5 inch. Be a little bit more effective. Pretty thin curve. It's about 47 thousandths thick, I think I measured. Actually 20 thousandths. So very small, very thin curve. These things cut through steel relatively easy, through wood. Grinds away just by using the side, so you can side load it, move material quick, cuts quick. Tile I've cut with it. These are good blades. I'm not sure where I got it, but if you come across one, it's a great blade to have. If you watch the video, I would love comments or suggestions as to how to get the rest of this copper out. Started working on removing these. I can continue doing that. Is it easier taking this off? Is it easier? I've seen people lock this down and then pull these out. I don't know. I'm open to suggestions. Would love to see any suggestion in the comments below. I greatly appreciate any help that can be offered. Thanks a lot.